Oh,
You know what I
man.
do on St. Patrick's Day at work? Just Scottish all day.
Really?
Yeah.
I've done it before. Oh, what do we? Oh, yes, the game.
Oh, yes, the match. Yes,
The
yes.
Smash game.
Mhm.
Well, but right off the bat, you can see the range that Ike doesn't have being used against him.
But he has a lot of out cancel windows, which he abuses a lot.
Yeah, but he's getting PK fired.
He's on fire.
Yeah, he's on fire, and not in a good way.
Oh, we almost made him make that fair range though.
Sure looked like it. Wow,
Oh my
he's
God.
hacking the
It just feels so bad to get hit by an Ike.
Yeah.
Oh, put those. Nah, we're not getting those.
Ugh.
A little too
I
late.
just love Ike. Just love him. Every one of his hits is like 3 from any other character. It's also like 3 times as satisfying. Lucas is at 69.
It's just like
Let
getting
it be known.
getting it down so fair. You know, it's nice. It's a nice little combo.
Oh, he's no longer at 69. Let the record show. Oh,
Air dodge read, getting punished.
something like that with buttons and clicking.
Oh,
Oh, man.
I think Fire is just so good.
Notice the way Waldo plays. He just is very selective when he takes his actual shots at you.
Yeah, he bobs and weaves.
Yeah.
Like he's waiting
Like,
for that one
there
little
is-
punish.
There
Exactly.
is the punish,
See?
yeah. Off the dash, right?
Team dash tech.
Yeah. You gotta take advantage of that, like the range on the sword. On Ragnell. That's the name of the sword.
Like-
Fun fact.
Like you gotta respect the auto cancel windows that Ike has.
Yes,
Because a lot of his moves are fast. Like down tilt.
I agree.
Yeah.
My expert opinion.
Oh, he died. How did he die?
died. But he's at, I don't know. I was looking at you. You look very nice today.
Thank you. Oh, that nair just to cover off.
Yes, that.
I didn't think it actually worked.
Oh man.
Okay. You messed it up. Again.
Jeez.
If he counters there, he's dead.
Yeah.
Oh,
He
no.
hasn't been using his counter, and that's the first time I saw his neutral B. Too.
Like Lucas would be dead if he countered.
That's
Or
not
hit by a
bad.
bear. Or fair. Or anything really from Mike. Except for nair. Or else. Yeah, Waldo's not gonna go onto the edge.
Yeah.
Like there's no use to it. You're better off. He's better off just like recovering high because that'll cancel windows just so much
Damn.
better.
You know what?
What?
Waldo's the type of guy who fights for his friends.
He is the
That's
he
good
needs
to
fights
see.
his friends.
It's good to see. Look at Tyler. Tyler's.
Him and his ponytail.
Tyler's down for the count.
He's
Wow,
ready.
what a
He's ready.
guy.
He's
What a
ready
guy
to sleep.
this Tyler kid is.
Well, what Jiren's gotta do is he's gotta like respect Ike's like auto cancel windows, then punish
His
whatever he can.
His
punish.
capacity for just hard hits.
Oh, that was beautiful.
Wow. That 1-2 punch, man.
1-2, man. Just cuts the kid in half. I haven't seen a
Yeah.
high mob.
I mean, a small child would be cut in half by that sort of attack, yes. Absolutely. There's a lot that goes into factor where the swing was, what color underwear I was wearing. But it's definitely a thing.
Oh, God. Well, he tried to punish him in the air. Just a little slow on the neck. Like, you just have to respect some stuff, and then you just do as much damage as you can. Oh, guess what? Yep.
Wow. That was
Yep.
it. That was it.
That was.
That's what we were waiting for.
He was just like,
That was
yeah, I'm
it.
waiting for it. I'm waiting for it. Can it happen? Yeah.
Wow. To think Waldo did not pay for himself to get in this tournament. He did not want any part of this. Who'da
He got
think,
bought him.
kid?
Ooh, that was nice. Back throw. That's
Some
not gonna
way,
kill.
Jakku lives on in this Ike. Playing
Yeah,
Ike.
he was better off just taking that instead of covering from the edge.
Oof. I mean, Ike's recover abilities.
Like
not
Jiren should be
great.
punishing that instead of going for like an edge.
I don't know. Ike doesn't have any like recovery ability. It's not that great. It's straight
Like,
up
it's
or
like
straight.
The sideways one is a lot better than going all the way down and back up.
Yeah, so like if I were, G-Rain in the circumstance, I'd be taking advantage of that. But I guess it's tough because he can hit you with a spike off the stage too. So certainly a gambit.
There you go.
Wow, look at that.
G-Rain did that perfectly.
And that is that's one of his stocks. And you know what? The crazy thing is, he only has 2. And now he's down to 1. Wow. What a thing this Smash game is. Look at him go. That small boy jumping and sparkling and glittering.
At this point, I feel like G-Rain should practice that a lot more since he keeps messing it up. Footstool.
Yes, practice does make perfect. That's what I was told as a child. Well, our iPad has been taken away from us.
Yes. I wasn't looking at that anymore.
I
anyway.
wasn't using it, but I mean, in the off case, I did want to use it. Now I don't have the opportunity to do so.
Yeah.
Which is unfortunate for me, I suppose.
I mean, G-Rain shouldn't be. Yeah, that should be approaching really. Can't do much about it. Back up. Not gonna kill.
Well, there he is. He tried to take advantage and get some chip damage while he was off stage.
Should be doing a lot more with chip damage.
Trying to land one of his one.
Hashtag won't kill.
I thought that was it.
Counter? All goes for the Trump. Just a little late.
Yes, Trump. Like you said. Wow.
Well, yeah. Nair to cover the jump. PK Fire to cover the landing.
I'm just waiting for the counter.
Waldo. What?
I'm just waiting for the counter.
Hi, Mom. No, goes off for the fair instead.
This is tight. They both have.
Oh, Waldo now has the approach. He has a choice now. And we're hitting the 2-minute mark. This can't be a timeout. Let's see that stack. Yeah.
Wow, there it is.
He went for the pivot. He went for the down tilt.
Dimmadam.
Dimmadam, and he got no sympathy.
You'll get no sympathy from me.
He